Morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I am Shirley Herbacio. I am 32 years old, married. I have five brothers and one sister. I have three daughters. They are 12, 4, and 2 years old. I work in Dubai as a domestic helper. I had two employers in Dubai. My first employer, they were two kids, 5 years old boy, 3 months old girl. I'm the one taking care of them. My second employer, I work for them in two contracts or 4 years. They were they were already grow up, 11 years old and 14 years old. And I shared a job together with another domestic helper, but I was assigned in a more on cleaning, washing, and ironing. The another helper, she was assigned in taking care of the kids. But sometimes I need to assist also for these children. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn more money to my family. Mom and sir, I am willing to work or to learn Hong Kong procedure, both taking care of newborn and growing kids, and also Chinese cooking. I hope you will choose me and I can come to Hong Kong to serve your family soon. Thank you and have a good day.